Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Mike Wheeler from Stranger Things. So we start in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, go all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we'll draw a small circle for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom areas of the eyes in black. Now I want to move in towards the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left, curve this down and then up. Then we'll move up and draw a short curve going across the bridge of the nose. Let's step down, draw in the mouth, curve this up and then down. Add a small bracket on the ends. And then just underneath in the center, add a small curve for the lower lip. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Let's start on the outside left, then it's in and then down toward the inside. Line this up on the right. I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting back on the outside, we're going to go up higher in the middle and then taper down towards a point. Let's fill the center of the eyebrows in black. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step over, curve this down, come in around the chin, just underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up towards the right, towards the same height. Now let's work our way up towards the top. Starting back on the left, going up, and bend that in. And we're going to add the hair bang. Starting back on the left, curve this down and in, pull up. It's going to work our way across. Bend this out towards the other side, and then up towards the middle. Let's add one bang coming across towards the right and up. That's going to work our way across towards the right. Now along the side of the head, we're going to add the hair, bend this out and then up on top of the ears. Step down, curve the earlobes, coming around and then back in towards the side of the head. Now going back to the center of the head, we move up towards the top, add a point. Let's work our way across the left, going up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. I want to bend this back in to create a point. Now on the left side, I'm just going to curve this around, comes down. Now I'm going to add some curls coming down towards the shoulders. Let's start back on the left, coming down and then curling that up. Bend this in, go around the ear, and then back out. Let's go over towards the right side, add a curl, come in, go around the ear, and then back out. It's going to work our way underneath the head, bend this in, curl this around, and then up underneath the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar. We'll start with a V in the center. From the top, angle the collar coming down, and then go up and then out underneath the head. Now in between the chin and this point, we're going to add a curve for the shirt. Let's go over toward the side. We're going to curve the body going out and then down towards the hips. And then connect the hips with a curve. Now we're going to add that pocket over on the right side. So we're going to start with a straight line, come down the sides, and then flatten off the bottom. Now from the top, come in toward the center, back out towards the bottom left, then add a button. Let's add a trim across the bottom, just on that same curve. And then from the center of the body, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go to the left, we're going to bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, bend the foot coming down and up toward the outside of the foot. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and then curl it back up toward the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to go back up to the hip. Let's curve the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace it across from toe to heel, and then on the right from heel to toe. Now I want to add some more detail to the shoes. Let's start with the toe cap, starting from the outside, bend this in, and then down towards the sole. And I'll separate the top of the area for the laces. Bend this up and then in towards the top of the foot. Let's separate the laces with 2 curves inside. I want to add one more detail along the inside of the shoe, starting right here, and this out and then down, step in, taper that down towards the bottom. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left holding the walkie-talkie, starting underneath the head, bend this down and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb, going up and then down, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's place the walkie-talkie in behind. So starting from the top of the thumb, angle this up, go across, go all the way down toward the bottom, flatten this off, and come back up underneath the thumb. Now on the outside, we're going to add 3 small half circles for the fingers. Let's add some detail inside, add a small square across the top, and then we'll add a few buttons. Now on the top left side, let's draw the antenna. Going straight up, flatten that off, and then come back down. Let's go back to the wrist. We're going to close off the wrist, coming down and out, step up, bend the arm coming in toward the side of the body, and it's going to add a trim across the cuff. Now we're going to go over towards the right side, starting from the side of the body, bend the arm going out and down towards the wrist, add a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers, coming down and up around that bracket, step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger. We're going to go all the way around and then tuck that up underneath the head. Separate the cuff with 2 curves. I'm going to add that trim detail across the shoulders, coming down and out, up toward the side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mike Wheeler from Stranger Things. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.